Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1. First, thank you for watching this video. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Hafifah Pranti Syamhar. Our group mates are Bismayanti, Fitriana, and Safira. We would like to discuss about learning implementation plan at secondary school, especially in junior high school. For the first point in our material will be displayed by Safira, Peplina, Elsa, Asara. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Afifa, for the opportunity. The first is learning objective. After following the learning process, students are expected to be able to mention activities that are being carried out in class, school, and at home when spoken with the correct speech and word stress, and identifying expressions that show what is happening. The next is learning media and learning research. The first, media, worksheet and assessment sheet. The second is tools or materials is ruler, marker, whiteboard, laptop, and InFocus. And the third is learning research. 2013 curriculum supporting books for English subjects when English rings the bell, 8th grade or kelas 8, and Ministry of Education and Culture. Back to Afifa. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Safira. For the next material is about learning activities. In learning activities, there is introduction. In introduction, only 10 minutes for the first meeting. First about opening with greetings and praying to start learning, checking the attendance of students as an attitude of discipline. The second is about linking the material or theme or learning activities that will be carried out with the experience of students with previous material or theme or activities, and asking questions to remember and connect with the next material. The third is about conveying material about what can be obtained, objectives, and benefits by students by studying the material. For example, like in our subject material, social function, oral, and writing transactional interaction text involving the act of giving and asking for information regarding circumstances or action activities, even that are being done or going on when spoken. And the last in introduction is about explain the things to be learned, the competencies to be achieved, as well as the learning methods to be taken. Thank you. For the next material will be explained by Fitriana. Time is yours.
Thank you, Afifa. The next is core activity, the literature activity. The first point is literature activity. Students are given motivation and guidance to see, observe, read, and rewrite it. They were given impressions and reading material related to the material on social function of oral and written transaction, interaction text involving the act of giving and asking for information related to the circumstance, actions, activities, events that were being carried out or going on when spoken. The next is critical thinking. The teacher provides an opportunity to identify as many things as possible that are not understood, starting from factual questions to hypothetical questions. These questions must remain related to the material on social function of oral and written transactional interaction text involving the act of giving and asking for information regarding the situation, action, activity, event that is being done or going on when spoken. The third is collaboration. Learners are formed in several groups to discuss, gather information, represent, and exchange information about the social functions of oral and written transactional interactions text involving the act of giving and asking for information related to circumstance, actions, activity, event that are being done or happening when spoken. The next is communication. Students present the result of group or individual work classically express opinions on the presentation made and then respond back to the group or individual who present. And the last one is creativity. The teacher and students make conclusions about the things that have been learned related to the social functions of oral and written transactional interaction text involving the act of giving and asking for information regarding circumstance, action, activities, event that are being done or occurring when spoken. Students are then given the opportunity to ask again things that haven't been understood. The next material will be presented by the next speaker. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Fitriana. For the last material, or the next material will be explained by Bismayanti. Time is yours.
$50 minutes, and the activity that we do in closing, there are two. The first is learners make a summary or conclusion of the lesson about the important points that arise in the new learning activities carried out. And the second is the teachers makes a summary or conclusion of the lesson about the important points that arise in the new learning activity. And next assessment of learning results. The first is knowledge assessment in the form of multiple choice, written test and written description, oral test or observation on question and answer discussion and conversation, as well as segments. And the last is skill assessment. In the form of performance appraisal, project appraisal, product appraisal, and portfolio assessment. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Bismayanti. That's all our presentation. May all those we have shall be beneficial for all of us. Thank you for attention. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.